Hello, welcome to Bell Brothers Brewing.
Engineers talking about beers.
I'm Cody.
I'm Liz.
And today we're doing the December challenge video.
Is that why I'm here?
Yep, now go away. All right, so we're doing the challenge, which means 3 beers that share a theme.
And then the 2 suckers that are up here have to guess what that theme is. There's a point scale here, so if we get it right on the first try, we get 3 points.
3 points.
3 points! And if we don't get it right by the 3rd try, then the person who picked the theme gets 3 points.
But anyway, let's get into the beer.
Curtis, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil, close your eyes.
It's not gonna look that way. That one's in a can.
I know that one's in a can.
Is that the theme? Is it can?
Canned beers, ooh.
That one's also in a can. That's 2 for 3. We might have a theme. It is in a can.
The theme is cans. Or not.
Okay.
3 different colors.
Very dark.
Excellent
funny.
clarity and effervescent. Oh, let me hold that in front of my face.
That's where the beer goes. Beer goes in front of face.
And I got super drunk glass. And that's a nice amber. A nice brown, good ruby highlights. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I can.
I have a suspicion already.
It really smells like a public restroom.
I think I have a guess.
I think I'm gonna be wrong. 3, 2, 1. So I think we agreed it's like a European beer.
So that tastes like a Paulner Pilsner to me. That tasted like a Paulner.
I don't get the Pilsner. I don't get the Pilsner. Like, there's a very specific malt with that, right? And I don't get Pilsen on that.
So I'll give 2 hints to what was going on because tasting through them myself. One, I've not tasted these beers before, and so it was going purely based on what they were saying as far as what was going on. It's kind of difficult on that. And 2, it's not based on a location.
Not a location. All right.
I mean, I kind of have another guess, but I don't know if I'm gonna be right.
Yep.
Oh, I'm going to give it to Cody on this one.
Honey malt.
Yeah, so they're all brewed with honey. I don't know if it's honey malt. They didn't specifically state.
Wow,
They
that
said
is
honey.
barely there.
All brewed with honey.
The only thing that gave me that is I went light to this one, and that gives it a slight honey note if you go from the light one to the middle one.
So,
It absolutely does. I don't get it in.
your lightest beer.
So you get to hold this one, so read it off, Cody. So the
So-
light one.
Lightest is Melvin Brewing's Killer Bees American Blonde Ale. That kind of label out.
The middle one is Saugatuck Brewing Company's Maggie's Irish Ale. Ale brewed with honey.
That one had the most honey flavor.
Definitely, like hands down.
And this is Whistle Blasts by Horse and Dragon Honey Brown Ale. Which is why I gave it on the honey malt, because I was like, honey technically is the flavor. I didn't like it feels like a really bad call to be like, no, you didn't specifically say honey, not honey malt.
No,
Like,
he had the
even
word.
though the flavors are all good. So I'm gonna give that one to you. on that
Good
one.
job, Cody. That was
digging.
That was hard.
barely there.
That
'Cause
was-
That has no honey at all.
no.
That
no.
is just a
This is piss.
sort of bland.
Looks like piss. Tastes like piss.
Yeah, it's just sort of a bland.
This is piss.
Tastes like piss.
2 points to Cody.
2 points to me.
1 point.
And 1 to Curtis.
Woohoo!
Next up, Liz's challenge.
Turn. This time it's Liz's turn. We're gonna get 3 more beers, time to taste them out, find out what is the theme. All right, time to get into it.
Okay, go for it.
Oh,
We
Jesus.
have brown, brown, and brown.
Lighter brown, darker brown, kind of dark brown and porter.
We do have one with
Right.
a clearly more off, like white to off-white head
Right.
versus
little
clearly
less.
tan and tan. I guess I'll start from the left as well.
Whoa!
Now that has honey. There's something. There's some dark fruit in
Some
that
dark
boy.
fruit. Yeah, that's aromatically heavy. And a bit of a difference between that one. And returns on the 3rd. All right.
Aerate it, warm it up, driving up that top note, that cream, pure vanilla, sweeteners. That's a 10.
Why? Why did you include that? That's bad.
I've never had that one.
That's bad.
You guys have guessed?
Not yet.
My God, no.
I have critiques. That needs aging.
You get another 60 seconds and then you gotta guess.
All right, I gotta guess. Yeah. I mean, I'm willing to throw something down. 3, 2,
Yep.
1.
There it is.
What? Oh! Oh, nice. No. That dark fruit was prevalent.
Yeah, when I look back on it, Baltic Porter is the right call. Because yes, there's dark fruit in every one of them.
For a bonus point, do you want to tell me which one actually comes from the Baltic region? Which one is
shit.
a true, honest-to-God Baltic porter? Not an American.
I've got to say this one personally. I would say far left, the lightest one. I think because it has the flavors, but it doesn't go into
I
that
agree.
weird roasty kind of
That
aspect.
one has the best balance. It seems like they actually know what they're doing with this style.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Correct. You
Yeah.
guys have actually had this before. This is Station 26.
Station
Brewing
26.
Company.
Hot damn.
This
All
is
right,
their rye
down this
whiskey
way.
barrel aged.
Give me some room.
Which one is right here?
Yep, that's number 1. So that's the
Wow.
one you guys thought was real.
Rye whiskey barrel aged. It was really good, and because it's lighter than the others, I thought it really played.
It just
well
had a really
into
good
the
balance.
So
characteristics.
that's not quite the color of a porter, right? That's a
No,
little
that's
dark.
Oh, that
real
looks like
dark.
a stout.
All right, so interestingly, that's from Combs, which is a product of Poland.
Oh.
That is the true
So,
Baltic
so that's
porter.
the true Baltic.
The one that tastes the worst.
With,
Yeah.
with oak flakes.
It's man. It doesn't mix well. There's like something off with like too much sweet with the high alcohol.
It needs
to age. Yeah.
And so then there's Jack's Abbey's Craft Lagers Bourbon Barrel Aged
Jack's.
Reminghammer.
That's
Baltic
awesome.
porter.
Jack's, is that the local Jack's? Is that J-A-K?
No, Jack's Abbey.
Jack's Abbey from.
Oh, Jack's Abbey. Oh, no, I was like,
not
Jack's
Jack's
Brewing.
Brewing.
Hot damn, that'd be fucking
Nope.
awesome.
No, Jack's Abbey, unfortunately.
Nope. But what this means now is that either you have to severely stump us both, or you better hope I get it, because otherwise Curtis is gonna
Winner!
win.
I retrieve my crown.
You've got, what is it, 4
4
points?
points.
4, 2,
2 and
0.
I like this game this go around.
You won last time.
But I get to go drink all this.
Damn right. We've got Cody Bell, the last Bell brother, in the combo to get through his stuff. We got 3 down. I've got 4 points. You have no points. Cody has 2 points, 3 points.
2 points.
2 points.
Guess who's sleeping on the couch tonight?
Oh, Which means that Curtis has a chance to steal the crown back. I'm the winner chicken dinner. Wow, that's a light set there, Cody. Woo. No doubt in that one. That's an IPA of some form or another.
Sounds like a milkshake IPA.
Wow, that smells like Dirty Liz. Like.
Definitely sleeping on the couch tonight.
I wish you'd been dancing for hours and hours to come home.
I say nothing about you when you are out there running strong and doing other stuff. Or when you do the COVID thing and you're like, hygiene doesn't matter. I'll shower maybe once a week.
I am really hesitant to taste that middle one. Everything in my aroma is like, don't drink that, guy. It doesn't smell good. The aromas on that one, there's something off. Yeah.
I made close to that face when I sipped it. It was like, ooh, that's not very good.
Yeah, but I'd say that one's fine. Yeah, she didn't like that one, huh? Oh.
I don't know what's going on anymore. Curtis is gonna get this one.
Maybe. I think I know what I'm doing. Hold on, let's see if this one's got it. High potential to fall into that category. I agree. I think I got this one. I think I got this one.
Alright, that means you guys are ready to guess?
I'll wait for her to get to a guess.
I have no clue.
Well, you got 30 seconds.
As a-
declared he's ready. You got 30
As a
seconds.
heads up, this one threw it for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Curtis is. I have no guess.
Yeah, it's potent in that one.
Alright, write your guesses.
No, I didn't make you stop with the damn porters.
Go ahead, dear. No, that's fine. Go ahead and figure out until you get a guess.
2,000 years later.
I, honest to God, have no clue.
Throw something down.
Put something down. Just a wild hair guess.
I don't know.
My wild hair guess on Baltic Porters that came out above, so
Throw something out there, Liz.
I really like this one actually, strangely enough.
Out of the three, I think I do like that one.
Okay, you guys are gonna laugh at this guess, but it's the one that I'm gonna throw out because I don't know.
Gotta guess something. Alright, are we ready?
I
Yeah.
think so.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, flip. Fuck, first guy.
Well, no shit.
Coladas. Such pineapples. I mean, it's hard to pick over. It's pineapple. I was pretty sure it's pineapple, but this one kind of edged into a pina colada. I'm like, maybe coconut? Like, some is like.
It's the most pina colada.
Oh my god, yeah, exactly, right? Like, it is pineapple to the nines is what comes out of that guy.
Yeah.
And that's a score of 7. Count that, 7 for the challenge video. Curtis comes up above.
I don't want to play this game anymore. Here, read that one.
That and then that.
Ooh, out of Avery, huh?
Yep.
Nice. I like barrel aged. I agree. Rum.
Read what it is, Dingleberry, then you can talk about it.
It's Quintiki. Out of Avery, barrel aged series, Imperial Blonde Ale, aged in rum barrels with pineapple, coconut, orange, and nutmeg. Which is why I was thinking pina colada, because you've got
very
that.
pina colada.
Yeah. I was like, you could technically go that direction, but I taste the pineapple freaking heavy.
So then this one, which is interesting because we all thought this one was bad, and it's from our favorite sour company.
Really, Paradox?
This is from Paradox
I
Brewing
actually like
Company.
that one.
Yeah?
I
I
was
don't-
mixing up which one was which. This one, I do not like at all.
Which is why it's a 6 on the 5 to 0
Sour
scale.
sour, yeah.
So this is Active Culture Tiki Sunrise Sour Ale brewed with pineapple, oranges, and aged in oak foliars. And I don't think that honestly it was that bad. It's just more
smelled-
sour than I like my sours
It
personally.
just smelled bad to me. Something.
It is
Did you
very
smell it?
sour. I thought it smelled alright.
You should smell it. It smelled weird to me.
Maybe it does have a slightly funky smell.
Yeah, it's
almost
the
sweet
taste.
butter.
The taste is better. I think the aromatics are what put me out.
Yeah, and then last up we have from Parish Brewing Company, Pure Tropics Fruit Ale, which is just really hoppy.
It
Yes.
tasted like I was like
Aggressively IPA.
Fruit
Okay.
ale. I went hazy IPA when I was thinking.
I
about
went
it.
milkshake IPA.
Yeah.
I was like milkshake IPA. This could have been like a bad quad IPA almost.
What did you guess?
Yes, I don't know.
I don't beep, no. That's what I guessed. And
And Curtis,
Curtis wins.
I win.
I didn't
7 points.
and I didn't even get on the board.
Everybody has bad days. It's okay.
That's right. Hopefully you enjoyed the format. I think we're getting better at this and enjoying the context of what's going on. Thanks for visiting us here at Bell Brothers Brewing.
It's been Engineers talking about beers.
Cheers.